Gigi Fierce here with another video, and today I'm bringing to you guys, I know you guys been waiting, kind of spoil the secret, but it is a tutorial on proper execution on Haitian folklores, and today's folklore choice is, drum roll please, Congo! In this video, I'm going to be dancing with the full skirt. There's no opening for the Congo dance for this one, but the next video, there surely will be. The Congo dance is a very flirtatious dance. You can dance it with a group of females or preferably a male line dance team. And it's very simple and it's very sensual, very flirtatious type of dance. It can be danced in line, like a line dancing. But it does involve a lot of fluidity, like I said, a lot of body movements, a lot of hip movements, and foot technique work. You have to make sure that you get the foot movements right in order to do this dance correctly. And there's a lot of different ways to dance Congo, but in this video particularly, I will stick to one technique in order for you to get the movements correct. Also, I wanted to add that Congo does not have to be danced with just drums. You could find music and dance Congo to it. That's the whole purpose of Congo, making it a love story. Because sometimes drums don't work with certain moves that you want to, like a story that you want to tell. So you have to use different types of music. Also, it is strongly advised that you have either water or Gatorade when you're trying to do my tutorials. My dad just told me I had to do this. Okay, so back to this tutorial with you guys. The very first thing that you will need to do a Congo dance is a Congo skirt. Now this is from my cultural collection that I'm in progress of making. And this piece is very well fitted to do a Congo dance. Don't mind it. But yes, it's very comfortable to do a Congo dance. The very first rule of Congo is making sure that your skirt is wide enough to dance it. So in order to check to see if it's wide enough, you just lean forward. This is the easiest way to do it. Lean forward. Grab the ends from like the end on the sides. Make sure your hands are underneath and come up. If it still looks like it's down, then that means you have enough space in your skirt to do the dance. You want to make sure that there is enough in the front and there's enough spacing in the back to do this dance. Because if your skirt is like this, let me give you a prime example. Fix it. If your skirt is like this in the front, that means you cannot really do the proper movements for a Congo. It has to be evened out. It has to be. Now I'm going to talk about hand placements on this skirt. So please don't mind me. Your hands have to be underneath the skirt. So when you pick it up, you grab it like this. Other side, you grab it like this. This is the proper way to do it. I see a lot of people do this. This is not the proper way to hold a Congo skirt. This is not the proper way to hold a Congo skirt. Please, ladies and gentlemen, this is the proper way. So that your hands are free to do movements and you're less restricted, because if you do it like this, most likely you might slide your hand and it goes away, whereas you have a nice grip on it and you still show the full execution length of the skirt. Still show the long execution length of the skirt. Now let's talk about movements within the skirt. What you can do and what you cannot do. Please do not drop the skirt. Unless it's part of the movement. Sometimes you do have to drop the skirt to move. But most of the time when you're dancing Congo, their skirt is at hand. The skirt is at hand. And you should never let it go, no matter what. This is the whole purpose of this dance. You should always be able to dance with your skirt. Your foot movements, very important, very key to dancing Congo. If you're dancing certain dances, let's say you're moving to the left. If you're moving to my left, well, to your right, your arm placements are like this. Your arm placements are like this. If you're moving to this side, your arm placement this is your guiding hand. This is your following hand. It's following you. Foot movements. If you're moving forward, your leading foot is always down. Your back foot is up like this. Same way on this side. This is your leading foot, your leading hand. This is your following hand and your following foot. Okay? I'm going to show you guys the way to move the skirts and how to move your foot. So if your foot, excuse me, I'm going to lift up my skirt a little bit so that you can actually see. This foot is down and this foot is up, right? Take a step, then you're on your toe for this one. Step, toe, step, toe, step, toe, step, toe. That is the proper movement for that. Let me do it again across the living room again. You take a step, you take this, bring this along. Step, toe, step, toe, step, toe, step, toe. That is how you do it slow. But if you're moving with music or with drums, it's like this. That is with the right side for you, my left. Now to your left and my right, same movement. Across the living room floor. Step, toe, step, toe, step, toe, step, toe. The actual movement. If you didn't get that, go ahead and rewind the video and learn it. Now you're going to add the skirt into the movement. So if you're moving this way, my feet are in the position, my hands are in the position, so you're moving like this. Right? You're moving your body along with it. On this side, same thing. Foot is down, this foot is up. Moving this way. So that was just a quick basic step for proper leg movements and hand movements for the Congo skirt. Now, if you want to add a routine, if you want a tutorial on a routine, go ahead and thumbs this video up and we'll go ahead and do it for you. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and on Facebook. See you in my next video.